How do you make sure that your campaign is always generating you leads? Let's talk about optimization, because this is the way to make sure that the campaigns stay working, stay producing. Because this person is saying, so do you manage one campaign, then change targeting and creatives through that one campaign, just editing it, not creating a new one? Let's talk about it. So whenever we're running ads for a business, we literally do everything in one campaign mainly. Unless it's a completely different service, we pretty much, for the most part, keep everything in one campaign. That way you can optimize that campaign, feed it more data, and help its learning get better. So yes, in that one campaign, when something is working, I could split test it. Let's say a creative is doing really well. I could create some sort of small variation of that creative. And literally, guys, the small variation could mean like you standing with your arms folded, or you standing with a thumbs up. You test those two images, see which one will generate more leads. Or you could test something like your offer. You could have 3 different offers, same image, and see which one people resonate with and generate you the most volume of leads. And the same thing goes for targeting. We target different audiences. We start with broad. However, we test different interest-based audiences. We test different segments of an audience in a specific city to see what would generate leads for us. For the most part, we like to keep things broad. Broad does really well. We let the algorithm decide for us. But yeah, we test different interests. So in the same campaign, we might make a new ad set with a different interest-based audience or different placements. Sometimes we test placements on just feeds, or we would do placements using Advantage Plus. And so we keep everything in one campaign and make sure that our testing process is thorough and feed that campaign as much data as possible.